Hey everybody, once again it's Randy back here at Cupcake Organic Farms in beautiful Texas City, coming at you with another great video. Thanks to our friends down at Keyworths Hardware, we were able to pick up some bags of manure and some beautiful potting mix. Thank you guys for taking good care of us each and every time. And folks, the seeds are out already over there if you're looking to get a head start on your garden season. But today I just want to show you tomatoes. 1 week ago today, and today by the way is Thursday, this is an early girl. I put her inside my favorite little peat pot. I love buying this because unlike the plastic ones that you may see just below this video, these here will break down and makes wonderful organic material for our soil. And when these girls get bigger, I just break them in half, stick them straight into the dirt. But what I wanted to show you was this progression. This is 1 week old. Here she is 2 weeks old, 3 weeks old, 4, 5 weeks, and oh baby, look at her, 6 weeks old. And these are all early girls. I love that. Now these here I ended up putting inside of a bigger cloth pot, mainly because I knew that they would go into production before I could get them outside. But I realized I'm gonna have to self-pollinate these girls in order to get them to set our fruit. But hey, that's well worth it because there is nothing better than a fresh tomato, oh baby, right out of the garden. I thank you very much for keeping up with us, and we're gonna, like I said in all of my other videos, we're gonna try to keep you informed on everything we do right here at Cupcake Organic Farms, from the way we plant to the way we sow to the every which way possibly, because our motto is making gardening great again. Let's do it, Houston.